how to make the quinoa porridge. Ingredients is as follows. We have Dr. SEBI's bromide powder. Mine is almost finished, I'm upset, to get some more. You can use 𝐜𝐨𝐬 gel as well, normal everyday 𝐜𝐸. You need some boiled bananas, sea salt, agave. I've got some all-purpose seasoning here. This is probably some oregano, dill, you know, season that you like. About 3 bananas are gonna go in. Coconut milk, blended and strained. You know, the raw coconut. Let me try and find it for you here. Because we like to make our things from scratch. Okay, we open that, we blend it with water, blend the nut with water, strain it with a cheesecloth. Yeah, strain it with a cheesecloth, and then you get your milk. So first things first, we're gonna put the milk first. Yeah. And now we're gonna put the quinoa. So here we are now. Put the quinoa in there. That was probably like 400 grams of quinoa. And then your agave to taste. And then obviously pinch of the sea salt. And 3 bananas. And the bromide powder is almost finished. Should be alright though. Our little seasonings. And that should be it. You should kind of try and do it in a food processor. Obviously, if you ain't got a food processor, just make sure your blender's good. Alright? So depending on how thick it is, you might need more water. Some people like their porridge thick and some like it watery. So you have to test it yourself. I like that. That's nice. Just a little bit more agave and we're good to go. And that is it. You pour that into your pot and you just keep it on simmer. The quinoa porridge. Please subscribe to our monthly subscription page where you will have exclusive access to never seen before recipe videos, past and present workshops, podcasts, and much, much more. Content will be uploaded to the members only page every 2 weeks, accessible only to those who have subscribed to the People's Package. Subscribe and become a member today at eat-to-live-not-to-die.com. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel called ETL NTD. Love.